What's up, little nine?
What's happening?
Shit, chillin'. Hey, give me something for them ladies. What them ladies like? Give them a, hey, yeah, do that for me.
I got you, man. Let me see. Check it. You can come to my house, girl. You ain't gotta go home tonight. Girl, whatever it is that you're feeling inside, I'ma go in and do it just right. Girl, I'ma tear that ass up. I'ma tear that ass up. I'ma tear that ass up tonight.
Oh, yeah, that's BCB.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
Hey, yeah, we finna take it to motherfucking Jiffy.
That's what's up.
Hey, give me some of that deep shit.
Some deep shit.
Yeah, spit that deep shit from that BCB clip.
All
Let
right.
them know how it is out here.
This a
Some
track
real
that's called
deep
Gone
shit.
Soldier, No Chorus, straight from the heart. You know what I'm saying? All right. I shed tattoo tears for DT. He was lost in December for all my gone soldiers. Y'all will all be remembered. I lost my brother Tom, August 11. And if I had one wish, it would be for God to send all y'all to heaven. If I was there, I would have paid the price for my brethren. But the life they led was a life full of lessons. Caught up since mind clouded, but the thoughts was a blessing. Find a destination, couldn't anticipate. Death that was destined, had no time for prayer, for repentance. Too late for forgiveness, hell sentence. Like to believe the mansion would open the entrance and all y'all souls to get lifted. Thinking about y'all niggas, my mind is off drifting. Miserable living, sick of these murders and killings. If I serve, I'm a villain, even if it's served that I'm dealing. Living in a world full of sin and so much has changed from a perfect beginning. But when I seen them in the hearse, it was the worst having feelings. We were soldiers, opposed of having no limit. Shared the same goals and we was having a vision. The block is hard on the grind, dying, trying to get it. Bullets pop, death was disguised in the image. I felt the impact when 9 of them hit them. Paramedics too late, trying to get him. Mother see he's not breathing, crying in the river. Love to the lost thugs, what I'm trying to deliver. But a soldier cannot walk forward with his eye in the mirror. Living like the pride as a sinner, refuse to die and surrender. This is real life, I am not a pretender. On the block, I done lost a lot of my niggas. The foes and contender. This road that I entered closed for the winter. No more slipping. The 4/5 in my denim. To flip the script on the nigga who think I'm a slipping nigga to be gripping my fingers. Don't let my fingers slip with the old clipping, y'all niggas. Relate, waiting your heart a pace in a matrix time. Blaze my 9, you won't even trace it with a naked eye. No lie, no faking it. I know that Satan's chasing me. Charges I might be facing them. Enemies, I'm erasing them. How could I go from sick of these murders and killings to weapons of murder concealing? I'd rather be caught as a suspect than hurt as a victim. Time my gone soldiers lost in the streets. I'm broke, but I still want to know what will it cost for some peace. And that's the deepest it'll go with me, dog.
That's what it
Straight
is,
up.
BCB.
Yeah.
Huh?
What it is, nigga. DC.
Yeah.
BCB, nigga.
Lil Blaze,
what
give me
it
some of that soldier shit.
That soul
Get it.
shit, man. Check this out. I got my 10 toes down and my head's in the clouds. I won't even fall down if I look back down. I'm a soldier, nigga, clutching on the motherfucking K. I'm so mad in this bitch, nigga. Free my nigga Tay. What it do? T.A. You my soldier in the way. I know you going through it bad, nigga. You and Lil Flay in a cold, cold place. Don't know which side to take, but it's gonna all be straight, cause y'all my soldier in the way, nigga. Motherfucking
Okay.
soldier, man.
BCB.
Beat.
Real
Get
like
about
that,
cash,
nigga.
baby.
Real nigga radio,
Exclusive.
Nigga, we coming.
Y'all already
through,
know
man.
what time
You
it is.
already know what time
We
it is.
slide
already
everything
know,
we
man.
get on.
Real nigga
Everything.
shit. And we here, nigga.
Look 'em up.
Fuck it. You know what it is.
Now
Hit us up.
this need views right here, my nigga.
Man, if you don't give me a motherfucking view, fuck you.
Better hit us up on YouTube. BCB/Lil9, man. Look us up. We on
For real,
that shit.
check out
But
all
check
the
us
fucking
out.
videos.
www.lakecityboyentcom.weebly.com. Hit us up on our website, man. Get at us on that, man. Get at me on my Yahoo. BCB@yahoo.com, man. Get at me.
For real, dog. You don't do that shit, you flaw as fuck. For real, man. Cause we trying to do stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Lake City Reside, Cedar Park Hustler. We gotta get this bread. We gotta get our money up. Fuck what they hollering about. Fuck them haters. They motivate us even more every day. We gonna get paid. Fuck what they talking about.
Damn
Let's do
right.
this
Real
shit.
nigga shit. Niggas ain't never walked in our shoes before, so a nigga don't know our pain or our struggle, nigga. We bringing this shit straight from the heart, nigga. Real nigga shit. Matter of fact, I got a verse for you right now, nigga. Check me out. red flag, swear sometimes I wanna die. The real can only feel my struggle when they look me in my eye. All I can think about is homicide, watching my mama cry. All the ones she thought loved to turn their back, I wonder why. Shoot me down, I see death around the corner. I ain't got shit else to live for, rather be in the coma. Mama say she getting tired, plotting up a suicide. I'm a burden to my mother, I wanna be crucified. You my motherfucking nigga, so bury me by your side. If God gon' take us, hope he take us together. Mama, no lie, we done made money together, done slept in cars together, walked the streets together. What we been through can't be measured. You don't understand my struggle, cause the shoe don't fit. You ain't been through what I've been through, you don't really know
No shit.
I ain't worried about these bitches, cause I'm trying to get rich. If you ain't talking about the